Hey, I'm Kim Ackley, Product Manager on our Power Utility team. I'm excited to introduce the M18 FUEL Covered Conductor Cable Stripper with Adjustable Bushings, the industry's first cordless solution optimized for end stripping installation on aerial, 600-volt secondary, and medium voltage cables. Designed for ultimate versatility, the tool features 6 adjustable bushings to accommodate cable diameters from 0.5 inches to 2.1 inches, eliminating the need for excess accessories while delivering a clean, precise strip every time. Powered by M18 FUEL, the tool removes installation at 1 inch per second, up to 4 times faster than manual tools, boosting efficiency and productivity. With no exposed blades, this solution significantly reduces the risk of cuts and lacerations, providing a safer way to strip covered conductor. AUTOSTOP kickback control prevents over-rotation in a bind-up, while user-controlled speed and optimized max RPMs provide precise control during operation. An adjustable 6-inch depth gauge ensures consistent strip lengths, preventing over or under stripping. The gauge can also be removed for extended strip applications. The pistol grip design and compact size offer exceptional ergonomics and control, ideal for tight access or elevated spaces. Laser etched and color-coded, each bushing is marked with size ranges and color-coded for fast and easy identification, aligned with the provided material matrix. First, ensure you select the correct bushing that matches the outer diameter of the material you want to strip. You can do so by either referencing the cable matrix or using the kitted cable gauge that shows you the correct bushing for your material. Next, adjust the outer diameter of the bushing. Open the diameter locking lever. Rotate the bushing ring to adjust the jaw diameter to surround the jacket or insulation. Ensure the bushing grips the cable securely while still spinning freely around the insulation or jacketing. Note, for EPR jackets or stripping over the semicon layers on medium voltage cables, apply connector manufacturer approved grease to reduce friction. Close the diameter lock lever. Then, adjust the blade positioning. Open the blade position locking lever. Use the scroll wheel to move the blade inward or outward. Position the blade so its edge sits 1/16 inch below the highest conductor strand. Optionally, do a manual strip test by rotating clockwise to strip approximately 1 inch. Close the locking lever once the blade is correctly positioned. Quick connect the bushing to the tool once your bushing is adjusted. To adjust the depth gauge, rotate the locking knob counterclockwise. Slide the plunger tube to your desired strip length. Then tighten the knob clockwise. Once the cable reaches the depth stop, the blade will automatically sever the jacket after 2 rotations. For strip lengths beyond 6 inches, remove the depth gauge. Slide the plunger tube to 6 inches. Remove the screw from the gauge frame. Pull the gauge away from the tool. To reinstall, reverse the steps and ensure the frame is firmly seated before tightening the screw. To finish the strip with the depth gauge removed, the bushings include a free-floating plate, grip the conductor, and run the bushing against your hand. Slowly pull the trigger for 2 full rotations to complete a clean, even strip. To remove the bushings, press the 2-finger release. And now you know how to use the M18 FUEL Covered Conductor Cable Stripper with adjustable bushings.